welcome back. First, I will start showing my channel. This is I organize all the videos on playlist, so it's more easy now to find my videos with a related topic, even if you are looking for RHCE or RHCE exams and practice. So, well, let's go back to the business. Today we're going to see one more topic for RHCE. We will see an interesting topic: HTTPS Apache web server. There are 5 subtopics: configure a virtual host, configure access restrictions on directories, and deploy a basic CGI application, and configure a group managed content, and configure a TLS security. This is a huge topic on the exam because they are covered too many things. So okay, let's see. We will start with configure a virtual host. The rest of the topics we will see on the future videos. I will try to do total of 5, covering one topic in each video. So first, let me move this a little bit here. Here this is a configuration that I already made in order to test everything and explain you how this works, but I will show you the easiest way to do that. Okay, today we're going to see the configure virtual host. First, pretty much everybody know we need to install the right RPM. So our package. I will start with John install HTTPD and HTTPD-manual. Here we go. Yes. The manual package, I will show you what is the manual. Okay, now let's start the service. So it's a systemctl start HTTPD. Okay, and also we open a new window. We say a firewall .cnd -- permanent -- add service HTTP. There are HTTPS and HTTP today because we aren't going to see any TLS security server today, but we start opening this on the firewall. We're going now to reload. Okay, cool. And now let's see. Yeah, it's already start. Going to close. Going to do something like a local host -manual, and you will see the manual page for Apache. It's a very good if you have time to read everything, or at least the tutorials, the access control, the CGI. I don't know if I see something here for virtual host, but it's up to you. So good luck with that. Okay, we're going to bring down this. Okay, to start, Apache. Well, you know where is located the virtual host configuration files for Apache. You need to go to etc httpd conf. Okay, on conf you can see the httpd.conf. This is the basic configuration for Apache. So you see, we have a server root. Let me show you where the grab.b colon start with. Pretty much delete all the the command line, but it's not. I need to extend the. Okay, but let's go back to the event. Now you will see the server root. Also, it's listening on port 80. I will show you how to change this without break nothing. So we can have a one virtual host listening on port 80 and another one listening on port, for example, 2280. It's an example. The user and group for Apache is Apache. The server admin is local root localhost. We can change this. The directories. So how we can modify this? The document root itself. This is a document root. We can change the document root, the directory for the document root, also a directory for HTML. Okay, a few more things. You can free to watch this, to review this. Okay, how to start? First, we are on this one. We need to go to conf.d directory. Here, they are where you're going to put all the virtual host config files. You can take a look on the manual. It's very straightforward. You can see how to put it. The welcome page, also you can see the welcome page. Yeah, it's nothing interesting. Let me show you again. So the welcome page, the readme, the user there. But okay, let's create a new virtual host. Here you see I have my own virtual host config file 00.bhost.conf, and all these things I'm going to just copy and paste. So but you see, this is cheating because you don't type nothing. I will show you. The RF, you can do something like this. We can do the cat is on user lib share doc httpd doc and httpd bhost. There we go. You see, it's that file. User share doc httpd dash your version slash httpd bhost. If I open it, you will see all this command line, and also you can see this. If you check, it's pretty much the same. So you don't need to figure out, you don't need to like guess what you need to put on the virtual host entries. The server admin, the document root, the server name, the server alias, the error log, and the custom log. That's it. So in my case, I just copy and paste this to a new file, or copy over the conf.d and just rename everything. So this is that I did. So now I'm going to here, I'm going to create a new thing. It's gonna be 0. It's a very good practice to start the. If you have more than one virtual host on the server, start with 00. In this order, the Apache config, the Apache servers is going to read in order, like 00, 01, 02, 03, 04, and so on. So in my case, I just go in here to copy and paste. I'm going to explain after that all the entries. Control C. Here we go. Okay, now first I have a one default virtual host. That means that if there are no any match on the virtual host config file, it's gonna load this document root. No, this is in that case. In other case, we have a start, so means that everything match on port 80 is gonna load this directory if the server name is .2. Okay, And also, okay, document root. This is the document root where the web server is gonna be locate the files. And this is a server name. This is a server alias. I will test the server alias. I put the same as the server name as alias, but we can change this. Also, we have a error log, a custom log. We can use like a log, HTTPD, blah 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 blah, or the full path, like a var log HTTPD. And the combine is you can put a like a common or combine. I prefer combine. And after that, you close the virtual host, right? You open it here, the virtual host, what is it called? I don't remember now. And okay, and then you need to open the directory. Where this virtual host located? In which directory? This is the directory that need to read, and this is the permissions of the directory. Allow override none and require all grant. Also, you can say require not from host or not host. There are a few things that you can accomplish with denying service from any specific host or any domain or any specific domain. Okay. Okay. The second one is a .2. See, on different host name. The third one is a .3, pretty much the same. And the fourth one, if you see, I have a different port 2280. See, listening to port 2280, 8080. So in that case, we need to put a listen statement. Virtual host start 2280. The webmaster put the same like a domain or same email for different. The document root, the server name, the server alias, and the log files. Pretty much, but focus on this port. Okay. Okay. This is my configuration file. Remember, you can. Let me save this. Remember, you can see all other configurations on this path for virtual host, user, share, doc, and the path of Apache. Okay, now we have my virtual host, but in order to this work very well, I'm going to create all these entries on my on my host file, because there are a few more things that I'm going to test. If you can see, I have a secret 1, CGI, WSGI, and sales account, example.com. I have a few more things. So let me add here like an alias for .4 also. Okay, here example, I want to say .4. This is an alias, another alias. Okay, going to I'm going to hit enter, and now if I check my host file, you can see all that entries. Every time that I say like a ping .4, it responds. If I say .2.example.com, it responds to my same IP address. I do that because I don't want to add all these entries, all these C names or alias to my DNS. I'm going to use the host file as a DNS, internal DNS. So okay, now what's next? You need to restart Apache. It's a system ctl restart HTTPD, right? Oh, but we forgot something, right? Okay. Let's create the directories and everything. Like if you see, like when I say less and 00, I need to create all these document roots and everything. So I'm going to just copy and paste because it's more to save time. Because it's very straight, it's the demonstration. Okay, this is the going to create the data directory, and inside data default .2 .3 .4 and slash . Okay, I'm going to create all this path. I'm going to my data, I'm going to the ls-r, and you can see everything and everything below, everything, you see everything. Okay, now next let me go and add the something to the index file. Okay, this is gonna be for default. Okay, and now I'm going to do the same for .2. I'm gonna do the same like for 3. Right, I'm gonna do the same for 4. Yeah, but now you see the tail like 0 0. Oh, I on the wrong directory, sorry. It's alright. Tail is saying exe httpd conf.d 0 0. You will see, oh, tail dash I want to say 13. Really? Oh, come on. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay, 16. Here we go. I have this listening port for .4. So I need to add this to the Apache listening ports, right? Because when you see the cmanage cmanage ports -l, I want to grab for HTTPD, you will see that Apache port is listening on these ports only. So you need to add the port 228080 to that ones. In order to do that, you do the cmanage port -a-t is gonna be http underscore port underscore t dash p is a port name. It's gonna be a TCP 228080. Let me double check. Oh yeah, I did it right. Practice is a good habit. So going to hit enter. It's thinking, and now let's double check. There we go. Now we got the 2280. So another thing you need to check is the context of this directory. It's on default, so you need to add the right context. Okay, it's gonna be like it's a cmanage. This is happen when you set up the web browser on different directory like bar.html or srv. Everything below srv, any directory, any it's gonna take the the content for Apache. It's hard to explain if you don't see it. You want to see like a cmanage fcontext -l and grep for is a httpd underscore sys underscore content -t. You will see, for example, I'm talking about this directory. See, and this directory, they have this content. So in that case, the data directory is not on this path, so you need to do the cmanage fcontext -a-t, right? And it's httpd underscore sys underscore content underscore t on where data, everything here. Data is a sorry, it's open this and start, close, and this one. double check. Yeah, if you have any doubt about this, you can see the cmanage -f context, the man page I mean. You can go to the very end and you can see the how to do it. Okay, this is part of the RHCE exam. Yeah, close. No, it didn't close. Yeah, close. Yeah. Okay, data, everything below. Hit enter. We do the restore con -rvbb on data. Everything changed. If you do ls -X, you can see everything. If you do like a R, you can see everything changed to HTTPD6 content, right? So now we can restart the service. Restart HTTPD. It's gonna take a while. And also let me go back here and go to HTTPD conf. I forgot about this. You remember that I add a new alias for this one, for .4. So in that case I'm going to, this already finished or no. Okay, I'm going to change something on this entry on the virtual host for .4. I want to say that like a server alias is gonna be .4. Insert. No, not insert. Wait a minute. I want to do something more smart. Jinkin paste. Insert. Because if I need to go back, it's easy to do it now. You see? Okay, right now looks well. Close, but I need to restart again because I did a change on the fly. So now let's test, right? Okay, let me go here to, okay, I have the first one is .1 example.com. Let me see. Okay, of course not, because still, but we see this is one .2.sample.com, another one .3.sample.com, and oh, it's .4.sample.com, and also a .4. And we see Apache is reloading. I don't know why on my virtual machine is taking too long, but it's alright. We have time. So this is the Apache manual page. Okay, it's done. Let me go back here. This is .1. It say default web error. Where I put this comment? Oh yeah, the web server error. I mean, it's alright. It's a demonstration. .2 gonna say web .2. You see here. .3 saying 4 say, oh, why 4 say that? The file web server error. I created, I put on the right place. Let me check HTTPD .4. Huh. Let me check what is in there. Huh, you see? Oh, I know. Why? Because the .4 is listening on different port, and if something don't match any virtual host, it's going to load the default web server like that I put here as default. So in order to load the right one, I need to specify the port 228080, and you can see that's why. Sorry about that 8080. There we go. Now you can see everything. So this is how to configure a virtual host. It's very easy and straightforward. And remember to read or look for the, let me show you the history. I put a history and grep for VI. It's that file user, that one. Okay, don't forget about this one because it's gonna save you a lot of time on the exam in order to configure a virtual host. So that's it, and we will see. This is okay. You can see all the is working very well. I will create a snapshot of this. I want to say like create. This is gonna be vhost because I want to vhost dash 00. I want to say like this because in order for the next video I will show you the next topic, compare access restriction directories, or maybe the CGI. We don't know. I don't know now, but here I have all my implementation. Oh yeah, configure access restrictions on directories. This is gonna be the next video, and I hope that you enjoy, and see you on the next one. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you.